Hello everyone, welcome to episode 4 of After Effects series. In this class we are going to learn about Speed Ramp, and in previous class we completed Speed Graph, Edit Value Graph. Let's get started. What is Speed Ramp, how to do it, and people making it rocket science. Speed Ramp is very hard and difficult, and trust me guys, it's not very hard. First of all, here is my clip. Look at this rabbit digging soil, and let's speed ramp it. First we speed ramp without song, then with song. Okay, for speed ramp, select your clip, right click on it, go in time, enable time remapping, and add your initial keyframe and add your final keyframe, and drag your something like that, which you wanna stop it. I wanna this, and select your both keyframe, press F9 for easy ease, go in graph editor, go in edit value graph, and then first should I delete it? I think yes, delete it. Okay, that's optional guys. If you wanna delete it, you can delete it, and if you wanna not, as your wish. Okay, now select your both graphs, go in graph editor, edit value graph, and here you have to make a graph like that. One handle downwards and one handle upwards, and this means speed up, then normal, and again speed up, and here is our footage looks like this. That's very funny. I think you understand how speed ramps actually work. And for better smoothness on this button optical flow, remember guys, when you on this, your computer get a bit harder for render. Frame blending means guys, After Effects added a frame where needed and missing for better smoother flow, and now our animations looks like this. Smoother is, and now expand it to more. I wanna animate this with this keyframe, and go in time remapping here, and also dig it, and here. Now select all the keyframes and go in graph editor, and just copy paste all the graphs like previous, and one handle down and one handle forward. Make sure guys you are not selected all the graphs at the same time. Select graphs one by one. And now our animations looks like this. And here is our speed ramp completed.